Hey there, aspiring real estate moguls. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your host, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're diving into a strategy that's as catchy as a tongue twister, BRRRR. But before we unravel the acronym, hit that like button and subscribe. Together, we're demystifying real estate. All right, my eager learners, let's break down the BRRRR strategy. It's like building a real estate empire, one calculated step at a time. Step 1. Buy a diamond in the rough. Look for properties that have seen better days, but have the potential to shine with some TLC. Step 2. Rehab like a boss. Transform that dilapidated space into a charming haven with renovations that maximize its value. Step 3. Rent it out. Secure reliable tenants who will pay you for the privilege of living in your newly polished gem. Step 4. Refinance. With your property now significantly more valuable, refinance your mortgage to pull out a chunk of your initial investment. Step 5. Repeat. Use the cash you pulled out to rinse and repeat the process, building your portfolio without putting more of your own money on the line. And here's the kicker. The Real Estate Sensei's true identity remains a secret. Why, you ask? Well, revealing our true selves could set off a real estate earthquake. We've got insights that some industry leaders might want to keep locked away. Think of it as our ninja wisdom. And guess what, dear learners? This video marks the 4th gem in our series on real estate strategies. From wholesaling to fix and flip, rentals, and now the BRRRR strategy, we're paving your path to becoming a real estate virtuoso. Your opinion matters. What investment strategy has you curious? Wholesaling, fix and flip, rentals, BRRRR, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your idea could spark our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll unveil yet another potent real estate strategy. Until then, remember, with the BRRRR strategy, you're not just investing, you're engineering your empire. This is the Real Estate Sensei, signing off.